Hello, everybody. As you can see, I'm laying here with my little snuggles. Mikey, the 17-year-old cat. He's looking at me like, "Mommy, what are you doing?" He's such a cutie pie. He's such a cutie pie. He's such a cutie pie. Oh, he scratches. Oh, the scratches. Oh, the scratches. I'm sorry for the not so charming pose of myself here, though. I'm just comfortable. I actually wanted to make a video outside, but that idea got cancelled because it's raining outside. What is it, bubble? Oh, yeah. Hello. Snuggles. Let me see if I can put his face on it. He's like, "What's going on there, mommy?" He's like, "What am I looking at?" Well, actually, he's not really looking. He looks weird, huh? He doesn't know what to do with it. He's like, "What the heck is that?" You wonder what the black spot on his nose is? That's because of him fighting all the time. It's pretty much a almost permanent scar that we get there. He's a voice of the neighborhood. He always will be a voice of the neighborhood. He likes his lovins. That cat doesn't. The funny thing about it, he loves his neck being scratched. He don't like it when you rub his belly. He's one of those cats. If you rub his belly, you're going to be bitten. I'm sorry. I'm not itching you. I'm not itching you. Yes. Today I just figured to do a cute little video with my cat together. Oops. Because I didn't really have a subject to talk about. I was thinking about some subjects, so. But I know people enjoy seeing animals. So, yeah. This little furry butt over here, like I said, he's 17 years old. He's a rescue. My mom adopted him from the pound. What's it called, a pound? Rescue center, not sure. When he was about 10 weeks old. He apparently was found in some bushes as a kitten, and his mommy was nowhere to be found. So, yeah. That's how we ended up here. I think it's really important to adopt animals. People do buy animals, but and not that there's something wrong with that, but it's better to adopt because there are so many gorgeous and sweet animals stuck in shelters and pounds, whatever you want to call them, that need a loving home. So, yeah. He's just enjoying himself. But yeah, they need a loving home. So, and for some reason, he's shedding so much. I need to brush him. After day tasking it all, because he keeps walking around. If you want to get fit and healthy, he's the one for that. But yeah. One thing I always wonder is why people do not adopt animals that got a black fur, because they're just as beautiful and just as sweet as any other animal. His face. I just feel that every animal deserves a honest chance. A loving home. Wash those hairs. Wash those hairs. So, yeah. I mean, of course, it is important to do your research before you go about adopting animals. Because sometimes there are animals that end up in a shelter because they got some form of sickness or disability. But this boy here is completely healthy. He's one of the lucky ones. One of the lucky animals that does not have to deal with some kind of illness. The last time when I went to a shelter was with a friend of mine because we were looking for a cat for her. It's the place where she lives. They do not allow dogs for some odd reason. But they do allow cats. So we went to look for a cat. And we did see some really gorgeous cats, but some of them had some really severe medical issues and she would not be able to afford that, sadly. The problem when you do not have a whole lot of money. Let's switch hands. Mikey. Sorry, baby. Laying on your hind legs, huh? Laying on your hind legs. Hi, baby. That's just when I do that. In a way. I don't know if you can hear him on the video. But I hear him. He's like, purr, purr, purr. Am I getting too warm? Is it getting too warm? Yes, do turn your booty to the camera. Hi, babe. Mickey. Come on, Lisa. Come on, Lisa. Sorry. Cat hairs. Meow meow. Hi. Hi. Mikey. What is it? Hi, Bubba. Bless you. Thank you. Yeah. Bring your booty to the camera, of course. You took close up of her, Mikey. You think, Mommy, what are you doing? Why are you shoving that camera in my face? Get hairs in the itch. Oh yeah, he's 17 years old. And he enjoys laying on my bed. That's one of his favorite places. Don't sneeze in my face, thank you. Mikey. That's my baby. What's up? Mikey. Little scruffy self. Cute scruffy baby. Like, mommy, you're taking up my space. I was laying so comfortable here. But yeah, I do like I said, it is just simply best to adopt animals. Because we all deserve a chance of a loving home. And I do suggest that you, especially when it comes to dogs, well, actually to cats as well, do your research. Because there are some cat breeds that can be quite noisy. Mikey is a mixture between, I believe, a European Shorthair and a Siamese. Anybody that knows Siamese cats knows they can be quite noisy. They're wonderful cats, though. I'm sorry if the camera's turning. I see that the icons are like twitching on the side. The icons of the stop, pause, and camera. So, yeah. Try to fix that when I'm editing the video. But and also when it comes to dogs, you gotta know. You gotta know. That was a close up. Hi there. But you gotta know what type of dog you take in your home, of course. So, and just like with cats, every dog has different needs. And every cat have different needs. So it's very important to do your research. Like I said multiple times now. And yeah. Sorry if I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm just trying to keep the videos short because I know not everybody likes watching super long videos. The only ones that I try and that become long are my vlogs. Oh my goodness, look at my arm. My arm's so full of hair. Pressing my arm. Oh, you can see. It's cat house. Yes, my floor's a mess. I know. I need to clean it. So I'm gonna leave it at that for today. And I hope you'll enjoy this video. Hope you'll, if you consider to take an animal in home, like a dog or a cat, I will hope you will consider to adopt, because there are so many animals that are stuck in the shelter and that need a loving home and that deserve to have a loving home. Yeah. Alright, my darlings, I love you, and I'll talk to y'all later. I'm going to make a vlogging video tomorrow because I'm going to visit my sister Melmel _Melmel7 _. You can find her YouTube channel. Probably have it in, yeah, I have it in the in my list of favorite YouTube channels. So look her up, check her videos out. If you like it, subscribe, leave a comment, share it with your loved ones, and yep. Yes.